Welcome to our guide on one of the essential composition techniques in landscape photography, leading lines. By incorporating leading lines into your compositions, you can create depth, guide the viewer's eye, and add a captivating element to your photos. Leading lines are natural or man-made elements within a scene that draw the viewer's attention and guide their gaze towards the main subject or focal point of your photograph. These lines can take various forms, such as roads, rivers, fences, pathways, or even the curves of mountains or cliffs. They serve as visual pathways that create a sense of depth and help tell a story within your images. Take a look at these examples. Notice how the lines in the landscape, whether it's a road or a path, lead the viewer's eye from the foreground towards the main subject or towards the vanishing point in the distance. Leading lines can also be used to create a sense of movement or flow in your images. For example, the curve of a river or the winding path through a forest can guide the viewer's eye and add a dynamic element to your composition. It's important to consider the placement and direction of your leading lines. Experiment with different angles and perspectives to find the most impactful composition. Remember, leading lines don't always have to be straight. They can also be curved or diagonal, adding a sense of energy and visual interest. Leading lines not only create visual pathways, but also help to frame your subject or add context to the scene. By strategically positioning your main subject at the end or along the leading lines, you can create a strong focal point and draw the viewer's attention. Keep in mind that leading lines can exist in both the foreground and background of your composition. Explore different elements within the scene and experiment with their placement to create compelling visual narrative. By incorporating leading lines into your landscape photography, you can add depth, guide the viewer's eye, and create visually captivating images. So the next time you're out capturing landscapes, look for those natural or man-made lines that can enhance your composition. Thank you for watching our guide on leading lines in landscape photography. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to enhance your photography skills.